So after creating the event in the Google Calendar, you need to update the information in the CRM. So I'm going to use a real example of the scheduled event that didn't actually took place, but it's going to be but this one is going to be a great example for this and for the next video. So let's say let's just imagine that today is June 20th, right? And let's say I have scheduled a call with Cyber Seeker. Now I need to find this company in the CRM to update their information. So head over to the CRM and search for the company. Once the search result appears, you have to change the status. Initially, it's going to be connected. You have to change it to event. Now include a note here and then select an event call date to June 20th and time is 9 a.m. Kyiv time, right? This one is 9 a.m. Kyiv time. Then click on save. Then open company's card in a new tab. And the next step is to change lead status. So head over to context, select the lead your sales department and sales manager is supposed to have a call with, and change it to, click on edit and change it to event here, like I did. Right, and the most important step here is to add a communication. So head over to a communication tab. Here I already have a communication created, but I'm gonna show you how it is done. So you click on the add communication button here, and then you have to fill out some of the information. So here you need to select a date, right? So when the event should take place, right? So in our case, we should select June 20th. Now type, again, it's an event. So select event here. Now select channel communication. We have engaged with the client through LinkedIn. So select LinkedIn here. Now select your work account. In my case, it's this one. Project company, we select remote helpers here. And then we need to add nodes there. But let's first duplicate those input fields here. Again, select date when the event should take place. Okay, 20th, LinkedIn, remote helpers, lead account, this one. Now we need to generate those messages. What does it mean? We need to include a full conversation with the lead from beginning to the end, right? But we need to clean up the conversation first. You can use again ChatGPT for that. So let's just say that I had a conversation with him. Let's just use a test data here, like this lead, right? So how I would do it, I would fully copy this conversation from beginning to the end, like this. Control C to copy. Then head over to the ChatGPT, and then you can ask ChatGPT to do the following. I'll send you the dialogue. Please delete the date and time of messages, emoji, lines with this example. I'm gonna paste the whole dialogue here. This is just an example, right? So you will again copy the relevant dialogue of the client you're actually having an event with, a call with. You'll paste it here. So essentially, we're just trying to clear all of this information like time. We're clearing emojis and all of that unnecessary stuff we don't actually need. Links, messages, emojis, lines, links, right? And we can also say something like with this example, comma, but also separate each message with a divider line. So every message is going to be separated for better readability. Okay, click on send. And then as you can see, each message is separated with this divider line. We don't have any time and dates here. We don't see any emojis, any unnecessary link, which is all what we want. Great, now you would actually copy all of this from ChatGPT, right? This response, and then you will again go ahead to the nodes here and paste it here and duplicate it here. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on the real example here that I have created. Again, I'm gonna head over and edit this communication message just to show you how it looks. Again, this is here I selected a date, a type, channel, I selected my work account, project company, and again, this is a modified communication message here. So everything is divided with this divider line, no links, no emojis, nothing like that. Clear and concise. But this link is included since it's like a Google Meet link. It's okay to have it here. But if you don't want to, you can actually remove it. That doesn't really matter. Again, and then this message is duplicated into this field. Then after you have filled out all the necessary information, you just click on save here. In my case, it will be update because I have already created it. But in your case, it will be save. So you click on save and it will appear in your communication tab like this. And then one more important thing to note is that when you are informed that your call has happened, most of the time sales manager inform that the call has happened through Discord, through our Discord channel. So again, all you have to do is to head back to the company you had the call actually took place with. You don't need to change the status here to call. All of that will be handled by sales managers. Just leave an event here. Um, all you have to do is just to head over to communication again, click on three dots icon here, click on edit, and then check these two check boxes here that communication actually happened and the call to did take place. This checkbox and this checkbox, if the call did take place, have to be checked. Then you click on update and you are good to go.